This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring both devices are updated and communicating. This prevents pairing errors. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone so the Apple Watch can sync. Install WhatsApp on the iPhone and allow notifications. WhatsApp on Watch relies on iPhone mirroring. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to My Watch, and look under Available Apps to start installing WhatsApp features or the companion app. This is the first actionable step to link message delivery and alerts. Now you'll give WhatsApp permission to reach the watch and mirror alerts. First, in iPhone settings, right arrow notifications, right arrow WhatsApp, toggle allow notifications and select banners and lock screen so alerts propagate. Then in the Watch app, confirm WhatsApp is installed and that mirror iPhone alerts is enabled. This syncs notification settings. Also, open WhatsApp and accept permissions for contacts, photos, and background app refresh. These let you view senders, media previews, and keep messages current on the paired watch. To complete setup, verify WhatsApp notifications appear on the watch by sending a test message. You should see sender, preview, and quick reply options. If messages don't show, restart both devices and make sure the iPhone has active network connectivity and is signed into WhatsApp. If issues persist, unpair the Apple Watch from the iPhone and repair using the Watch app. This restores backup settings and often resolves mirroring faults. One key tip: always check notification permissions first. Most problems stem from blocked alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.